Hey, it's Melissa with WTI. You are going to love how effortless this utility cart is. It's shipped right to your door, so if you don't have a vehicle to go and pick something like this up at a big box store, the delivery process was really easy and the company was a real pleasure to work with. It came in a crate and it was packaged really well to prevent any kind of shipping damage. It even came with replacement parts in case you ever need them, and quality made tools and an extra set of keys. I noticed right away that this dump cart was really durable. The batteries were easy to install once we followed along with the video, and they are long lasting. We've gone about 3 weeks and we still haven't had to charge it. The detail in this cart is immaculate. It even has tiny feet on the tires. So fun. It's really easy to operate and it glides so smoothly. The 3 wheels allow us to kind of pivot and go through those narrow aisles in our barn through the stalls. And I love the light. It is small but mighty. So it's great for our days right now, especially because it's getting darker earlier. Not only can you use it at night, you can also use it if it's raining or snowing out, because the buttons have a protective covering over it so they're not going to get wet. You can do work, rain or shine. I really like the large capacity of this cart. It holds a lot and it's getting colder out, so it's so much easier to make one effortless trip rather than multiple labor-intensive trips. The bar that dumps this cart, it's long enough to allow for leverage when you're lifting it, so it makes it easy to lift. And I'm so excited to use this cart in the spring for mulch, rocks, brush. The jobs that this cart can handle are endless. You're gonna love it too, and that's my point of view.